Righto, indicator extension going on. That side's already got it, but I've put cruise control on, and came with the short button. I didn't think I noticed it too much, but yeah, you definitely do. So get the pick in there, these pop off, happy days. Have to undo it first. Get that out. Hopefully it stays. Hang on to that. There's a little tab inside there, pop him up. Unreal. Get a better screwdriver. There you go, right tool for the job. Love to know how to get the bottom bit out, but without getting rough on it. There we go. Not too bad. There we go, a bit of a difference. Pop that straight on after you work for it. Set that on. Make sure they're sitting in the groove. Top screw. Good to start both screws before you tighten anything up. Make sure they're all fitted. There we have it. Remember, it's all alloy, so you don't need to tighten down too much. It's not holding the engine in. Righto. Yeah, it matches. Happy days. 2022 model. Lowrider S. Getting ready for a trip. Just put bags on, thrashing. Here we go.